What's up, window cleaners? Louis here with Superb Window Cleaning. I'm here in Algodones, Mexico. It's about a 2.5 hour drive from Palm Springs, where I live in that area, and I'm doing the windows here. I came here to do dentist work. It's a lot less to do dentist work here in Mexico, and so I'm just going to be doing the windows here, offering my services for free. All right, so in the next video, you're going to see me just doing the windows here. All right, take care. God bless. All right, so I just wanted to come into the actual dental facility. As you can see here, it's a really clean establishment here in this office. And I just spoke to some couple here from Lake Havasu. So they wanted to just say something, how, they can recommend this place.
We highly recommend Dr. Rubio. The dentist's office is clean, it's immaculate, it's state-of-the-art equipment. They've all been educated in the United States. We're very impressed. We've been coming here for 20 years, have saved a lot of money, like thousands of dollars by coming here, opposed to doing this in the United States, and have had very successful It's been great. Never had a problem. Ever.
All right, great.
And we'll be coming back again and recommend it highly.
All right, there you go. You have a testimony from actual patients here. All right, take care. Cut the video off too soon. The chauffeur, Angel is his name, Angel. You want to say something about how they come and pick you up from the, yeah.
Just give a call to Rubio's Dental Office, based in Angel out to Penn the border. He's here when we're ready to leave, as we are now. He'll take us to the pharmacy, he'll take us back to the border. He's very gracious.
My name is Angel, and he worked to Dr. Rubio for some time. Then service to the driver, and everything placed to the guy you like the pharmacy, everything placed. The driver pick it up here and go to the border.
And he'd probably take you to lunch if you asked him.
There you go. I know you would. So there you hear it. They also shuttle you from to and fro from the border. I mean, this place, we all highly recommend it. All right, take care.
Okay, God bless you.
I just wanted to film inside here, just as you can see the state-of-the-art equipment here that they have here in this dental office. Really clean. Doctors that know what they're doing here. All right, so there you have it. I can attest that this dental office here in Mexico, Algodones, does fine work. They did a root canal on me before, and now I did 2 crowns, and everything came up exactly how I wanted it. Okay, take care.